It's time to learn about how to use charts in MT4 Android app. Welcome to Capitalxtend. Let's start with how to open a chart. To open a chart, simply click on the desired currency pair on the quote screen. Tap on Open Chart. A chart screen will be opened respective to that currency pair. Let's see how to change chart types. To change the chart types, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Go to Settings, go to Chart Sections, and tap on Line Type. Here, you can choose between a bar chart, candlestick, and a line chart. Let's see how to access Chart Toolbar. To access the Chart Toolbar, open the chart of your desired instrument. On the toolbar icon on the top left of the screen to navigate to 5 types of tools. 1. Crosshair, to add and remove date, price, and indicator value at any selected point. 2. Indicators, to add and delete indicators. 3. Symbol, to view a chart for another symbol. 4. Time frame, to select the time period. 5. New order, to open a new trade. Let's see how to navigate through the chart screen. To scroll through a chart, drag your finger left or right. Zooming can be done by moving your fingers vertically, zoom in, or horizontally. Zoom out. To view the chart in a landscape or full screen mode, simply rotate your smartphone. Auto-rotate needs to be enabled on your phone. On landscape mode, tap on the screen to see the side menus. Let's see how to access the circle menu. To access, simply tap on the chart screen to see the circle menu. In this menu, you will be able to change the time frame, add or delete indicators, and add crosshair, and also add or delete objects on the chart by tapping on the corresponding icons. Thank you for watching. In our next video, learn about how to use technical indicators in MT4 Android app. Stay tuned.